Credit rating. How you are scored. Getting approval for any type of loan depends on your credit rating. If you have average credit rating, you will find it almost impossible to get approved. It's possible to get good rating or even improve your credit rating. Most companies almost use same rating system, and if you are able to know more about it, you should be able to have better credit score. Your age is the first factor which it's almost impossible to do anything about. Yes, it's possible to lie, but don't, because it will make things more difficult for you in future if the creditor get to know. If you are between 24 to 64 years of age, you will get 1 point. Any age below or above that will score you 0 point. If you are married, you have chance of adding extra point to your score. If not, you still score 0, as most creditors see you as a higher risk. Also, if you have no dependent, you will score 0. But if you have between 1 to 3, you will add to your points. Here is how it works. If you have no dependent creditors, believe you can skip town and not pay off your credit. Creditors will also want to know more about your route. They will want to know where you live. Owning a home with a big fat mortgage, or even without mortgage, will give you more points. How long you stay in your present or previous residence also adds more points to your score. If you've moved so often, you will score 0 point. However, if you've stayed up to 5 years before moving, you will surely get more point. It shows you are a good risk to them. Other factors that will add to your point are your years on job, the longer the better, kind of job, your monthly income, present debt status, previous credit history, and your saving or checking account. Your credit score is usually rate between 350 and 850. The lower your score, the more difficult it will be to get loan. Scoring 800 or above should be goal of every consumer. Below is list of short tips on how to achieve 800 credit score or above. Limit the number of credit card you sign up for at a time. The more card you carry, the debt will have to live with. If one card is not enough for, you make sure you don't sign up for more than 3 cards. Also make sure that you don't go out with more than 1 card in your pocket. That way you will limit your purchases when you are outside. Make sure that you make your payment on time, if possible before the end of grace period, if it's part of the service. Late payment will affect your credit score adversely. Whenever you want to apply for credit, make sure that you don't apply for too much credit often. Credit reporting agency may score you low, as it means that you can't live without credit. Another thing that reporting agency consider in scoring you is outstanding balance on your credit account. If you are the type of consumer that often exceeds their limit, you are risking your credit score, so make sure you don't exceed 30 to 35% of your available credit. It doesn't make sense financially to always spend all your credit at a time.